Go ahead.
I'm Maddy.
I'm Desmond.
We're training Hercules today on how to give paw for Paws in the park in case you guys want to teach your dog too. So we're just starting with some treats, getting his focus, you said, and then we're gonna ask for the paw. Oh, got that one first. Good boy. Awesome. Let's see if we can do the other one. Hercules.
Now, did he know this? You know.
No, I don't think so. Paw? Yes, good boy.
So he's a super fast learner.
Yeah, he's a quick learner.
So just walk us through exactly what you did. You gave him a treat.
We gave him a treat to start. We're putting him in a sit, and I started by touching his foot, just telling him paw, and after about 2 or 3 times, he started offering it on his own.
So if your dog doesn't get this right away, it doesn't mean that they don't belong in dog Mensa.
Usually takes him a little bit. Hercules. Good job, man. Good job.
Oh, and he just put himself in his crate.
Yeah.
What a good boy.
Self-taught.
I'll say, this is amazing. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, we can't wait to see you.